Hey, what's up YouTube? It's another video I'm doing. My Honda Element. I'm using this Meguiars plasticx clear plastic cleaner and polish. Removes cloudiness and yellowing, oxidation, and fine scratches. This is for the headlights. This is what I'm using it. So this is my old foggy headlights, as you can see. I just barely applied it on the other headlight, and you can kind of tell the difference. So working pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look brand new, but it looks a lot better than it was before. As you can see there's the two difference. Definitely got rid of the cloudiness of the new headlights. I was thinking about getting new headlights, but I think this one looks pretty good. I mean, again, this was only like $6 at Walmart, and does a good job polishing. This is the old. This is what exactly looks like before. And then this is the new. Pretty simple to apply on. It says just apply a small amount. I use one of these rubber pads, or I'm not, microfiber pads. Apply it on, rub it on, and then I use the other side to actually wipe off the residue. So pretty quick, simple. I'm gonna do the other headlight now. Then you can see the difference. Alright, now I just did both sides now. Yeah, looks pretty good. Again, it doesn't look brand new, but it looks a lot better than it was before. Sorry about the wind, hopefully it's not in there. But as you can see there, it's a lot cheaper than having to buy new headlights, and a lot easier than having to break this all up and clean it really good, I guess. So not bad. Took about 5 minutes to do both of them. So definitely highly recommend it. Again, it's the plasticx Meguiars plastic restorer, great for headlights. If you have any questions, post below.